Hello, I'm Lisa Griffin and I'm excited to announce that we're running classroom-based lessons in Microsoft Excel for beginners. By the end of this Excel introduction course, you will be able to create spreadsheets containing formulas, as well as being able to enhance and print them. The modules we will cover include an introduction to Excel, creating a worksheet, managing workbooks, formulas and basic functions, spreadsheet presentation, rearranging data and printing. All of these topics will be covered in a one-day classroom session, and I'll be there to answer any questions you may have. I've got 20 years experience delivering classroom-based training to people from a diverse range of sectors, such as law firms, schools, councils, construction companies or investment companies, to name but a few. Now, as an added bonus, anyone enrolled onto the classroom session will receive the online version completely free, so you can go back and check your learning and practice using the exercises. If you feel like you want to learn everything there's to know about the Excel software, why not check out our bundle package, where you can sign up for the beginners, intermediate and advanced at a discounted rate. Spaces are limited, so sign up now to avoid any disappointment. For further information, click the link above to find out available dates and locations. I look forward to seeing you there.